Koe nei toko tuatahi I te hari mai tēnei kaupapa pēnei a mahi ārehi a mahi toi. I te whairahia mai tēnei wāhi a tēnei ātea, tapu o tēnei hapu o tēnei marae, pō kokohua. E whakaaro tērā, e whakaaro noho tērā I tērā, e kaupapa tērā pēr hei hari mai mā mātau, tō mātau tira o Ruatoki. Te hari mai tēnei kaupapa ki te whakatuma I te hinenaro. Ki te wete nā whakamataku tana kai runa I a tātou. Nā pōkokohua tana, āhua tana I roto I a tātou, I roto I nā raurau tau, tērā. Me tētahi anō, ko te tikana o tēnei āhua tēnei nei te ātea, ki te wete I nā matakutana, ki te wete I nā kēhua, ke korai e nhoi roto I te puku. Ko u mai te pukuriri, tērā. Ka puta mai a anu, a weti, a wai atu, e nari wērā momo āhua tana. E nari ki te miri I te nā kau te wairu o te tanata. Koera he pai te tahutahu. I nā momo tahutahu ke tahuna. Tahuna te pire. Tahuna nā anu tana. E hai, ke putai nā pūnā rehu nā puehu, ke pūhia e te hau e tāwhiri mātea, whakawāte I a koe. Koera te tina pūtake, e mōhio ana hau. Nōku nō e nei whakaare, e nari runei te pono I te tika I te māramatanga.
When 300 submissions come in on a single bill and nearly 300,000 signatures back a petition to stop it, what is that telling you? It's telling you that this isn't just a debate about law, it's a moment to decide what kind of nation we want to be. This bill doesn't reflect the future I'm fighting for, and it doesn't reflect the Aotearoa we deserve. Not now, not ever. It's hard to ignore the irony of being here representing a petition that has more signatures than ACT received votes to even get into Parliament. But Seymour repeatedly threatens to bring this bill back as many times as it takes. That's not democracy, that's ego. And it's an ego that's costing this country economically, socially, and emotionally. Every moment spent debating and re-debating this bill is another moment of taxpayer money being wasted on a fight that should never have started. We hear so much from this government about economic priorities, about fiscal responsibilities, and about focusing on things that matter. Yet here we are, pouring resources into a bill that does nothing to grow this country, nothing to unite us, and everything to divide us.
Tēnā rā koutou katoa e te iwi ai e tika ana kei konei a hau ki ngā whā o te puia I tēnei wā. Kei taku nei taha ko Maringi James. E Maringi, tēnā koe.
Tēnā koe.
Nō reira, whakamārama mai tō tāpaitanga ki te komiti whiriwhiri take ture?
Ko te take I tino hehia ai au kia mahi ai I taua kōrero. Ko te tuatahi te mea e mohio pai ana ahau. Kaore nui ngā rangatahi e āhei ana ki te kōrero ki te pere. Nō reira, koira taku tino hehia, me taku mōhio he nui ngā kōrero tā te rangatahi. Kaore pēr I te hāngai ki ngā meka ture, heoi he meka ngākau. Nā reira, koira taku tino hehia, kia ngāhau taku kōrero, kia ngāwari noiho kia mārama ai te katoa.
Rawa pēr te take I kaha whakahē koe ki tēnei o ngā piri?
Ko te tino take I te mea nāku I hangaia I te pētihana, me taku mōhio ki aua hainatanga tata ki te 300,000, me te mana o aua hainatanga I tino hehia ai au, kia mau I taua Māori, kia whakamana anō hoki.
Ai, e Maringi e mihi nui ana mo tō whai wāhi ai ki taku nei taha.
E mihi ana.
Ai, e tika ana he maha ngā kaupapa ki konei ki roto I te rohe o te aroa e whakanui ana I te kaupapa o Waitangi. Hoki atu kia koutou katoa I Waitangi.
Kia ora, my name is Te Ahi Paurua Forbes, he uri tēnei no Ngāti Manipoto, Ngāti Paua me Ngāti Naho. Waitangi Day to me is all about upholding the mana of Te Tiriti o Waitangi, collaborating, having a space for conversations, and supporting tangata whenua.
Kia ora, ko Maharaea Wākatoku ingoa, ko te hiranga o Waitangi ki au, ko te huihuinga o te tini, o te mano, Māori mai, Pākehā mai rānei, mo te hainatanga o te tiriti o Waitangi. Koina.
Waitangi Day to me is a day of celebration and remembrance of what our tupuna who signed Te Tiriti o Waitangi wanted for the Aotearoa that they envisioned. For me personally, I feel is that is a day for us Māori, te iwi Māori, to come together and to push for the future that our tupuna wanted.
Kia ora e te whānau, Talofalava, ko Tira Schmidt Pike tōku ingoa, he uri tēnei no Ngāti Haua, Ngāti Tamatera, Ngāti Raukawa, ki te Tawataku Pāpā, no Whanga, Mesa Fotu, Oroto i Asapa i Samoa. Waitangi Day. Waitangi Day to me is a symbolic day that gives all of us who live here in Aotearoa, all of us who call Aotearoa our home, it gives us an opportunity to celebrate that. To celebrate being from this beautiful whenua, to celebrate with all the different ethnicities, cultures, histories, and it offers us an opportunity to put our differences aside and just to celebrate being us and from here. And I think that's cool, especially with all the things that are happening around the world, you know, Palestine, Syria, and many more places. It makes me more grateful to be from here and to be able to enjoy the freedoms that Aotearoa offers us, because we're very lucky. And I think we're very lucky to have a connection with our whenua and our moana here in Aotearoa. And I'm hopeful that that's going to continue, especially with the likes of Hana Rāwhiti, Te Ariki Nui, Ngā Waihono i te pō. You know, I think the future looks a bit more promising for us here in Aotearoa and for the world. But yeah, that is my Waitangi message. Happy Waitangi Day te whānau.
Mauri ora e ngā iwi o te matu, ko mai aha pānapa tēnei. Huri a hau no ngaita manuhuri, no rongo whakāta, no tainui waka, o tira he mokopuna no hoki tēnei, no tūranga waiwai marae. He hā te take ka hara mai ai ki konei ki Waitangi, ki te tautoko i tēnei, kaupapa i atau, ko ngā whakapapa, koe nā ngā take, nā te mēnā e hara koe mahi ana e mohio ana ki tēnā mea mōku, e hara e mohio ana au ki tōku reo, tōku ohoho, tōku mapi mauria, e hara ka ora tonu au ki tēnei ao tonu, tō mātou nei, tō tātou nei, ao Māori, kei roto i tēnei ao o Aotearoa. Nō reira, koe nā tōku i tēnei wai hoa mā, toitu te reo, toitu tō tātou nei mana motu hake, toitu te mana Māori o te tiriti o Waitangi. Mauri ora!
We're here at Waitangi and it's gorgeous already, and it ain't nothing without the behind the scenes stuff, and I just love getting to the back page to see what's really going on. The good old hapai oe, they've got it going on. Yeah, she coming through. Well, look at this, eh? Yeah. First of all, she's too pretty for the north, not happening. Hey, we want that auntie with the one tooth, eh? What's happening here?
Here today we're just making sure cars that go through are residents only.
Have you come across anyone that's not listening?
All the time, every day.
I'll be that person. Okay. Oh, no. I want to come through. Are you a resident? No. I'm Māori. What do you say to that?
Cheers, still sorry, no.
Cheers, still sorry, no. Get out of here. Unbelievable. Already people are getting growlings. But you know what the wonderful thing is? Hello. Hey, don't leave me. Talk to me. Parakore, Mekaere, what's happening, man?
Just basically assisting people in putting their rubbish and recyclables and compost in the right place.
What do you want to see at Waitangi? What do you want to see happen other than putting your rubbish in the bin?
Just our people, not just our people, but all the people of Aotearoa to come together as one, eh?
Love your work. Parakore, 101. Kia ora.
What's going on here?
The mana motuhake is
I love it.
custom loaded fries, so it's custom, it's special. It's not just a straight pile of fries.
Oh, it's special, all right.
Yeah, it is special because it's got chips, it's got our selection of 4 cheeses, it's got smashed patty.
Are we going to be able to sit up and hear the kōreros at in the forum tent after that kai?
If you fall asleep, at least you'll have an excuse.
Look at that. It's like a wind chime. So anyway, we're going to head across the bridge because this place is going to be packed all day today. Kia ora e hoa. Oh, look at this, Kazi, eh? Got the hunting and fishing going on, eh? Ooh, kia ora you. What does Waitangi look like for you?
Beautiful, especially after I've mowed the lawns.
How about mowing the wehi? What do you need to make the job better?
Good attitude.
You only saying that because Nan's watching. Cut it out. You're a smart aleck. They all talk about you. What do you love about Waitangi?
It's big, plenty happening. Always something happening.
Yeah.
Got to be organised.
You've been doing it for 16 years. You going to do it for another 16?
Don't think so.
Come on, Barry. Live and die in LA.
Well, Waitangi Day is such a significant day in New Zealand. A great day to be able to spend with family and friends. Get out and enjoy the best of what New Zealand has to offer. Some kai on the barbecue, maybe head along to the beach for a wee swim. At the end of the day, we do live in the best country in the world, don't we? And it is all about celebrating Aotearoa New Zealand.
Tēnā koutou katoa, Aotearoa, hope you're having a miharo Waitangi Day. We're super stoked to be playing the main stage in Waitangi. What an absolute honour, and I hope you guys are somewhere special too. Waitangi, yeah. Waitangi, yeah. Karonga e te iwi, yeah. Kua e ke mai nei, kua e ke mai nei, ki e ka te marae. Mauria mai, mauria mai, e ka mate o te motu e.
Kia ora te whānau, I'm Neil Waka. It's my privilege to be here today just to say a few things about what Waitangi Day means to me. I think it's important to remember that in 1840 Paramount Chiefs and the Crown signed this document called Te Tiriti o Waitangi. It's our founding document. And I think Waitangi Day reminds us about our history, including our journey towards reconciliation, along with the fact that Māori rights and Māori need to be recognised in this space. It's also about a day of reflection, a day of dialogue, and a day of coming together to ensure we're all heading as one nation in the right direction, which is why I believe that any democratically elected leader in our country, including the Prime Minister, needs to be in Waitangi to show their support with us being one nation and where we're heading to in the future. Have a happy Waitangi Day.
Kia ora. My name is Staff Sergeant Mike Te Hau of the New Zealand Army. What does Waitangi mean to me? I'm really proud to be a New Zealander, a Kiwi and a Māori. I'm really proud also to be a soldier, providing support for our people, for our nation. The NZDF provides us support and trusting us as soldiers to go forward and provide support to the local iwi in order to make Waitangi Day a success. Kia ora.
Kia ora everyone. What Waitangi Day means to me and my whānau, it is a day for us to remember the cultural significance, the rich culture, the national day for us to commemorate the signing of Te Tiriti o Waitangi, to acknowledge the partnership between Māori and the Crown. It is also a time for us to reflect and educate everyone around us about our culture, our past. It's an opportunity for us to also be present and be grateful for what is happening and what is happening around us right now. And it also is a time for us to look to the future and figure out what that means to us also. So get out there, te whānau, what does Waitangi Day mean to you?
What does Waitangi Day mean to me? It means bringing whānau together. It also means bringing the community together to celebrate our founding document. It also gives us an opportunity to reflect on our past, present and future and look for a way forward together. It also gives us an opportunity to look at education, whether that be within school, university or in your workplace, even if you have your own time to be able to educate yourself. Kia ora.
Waitangi Day to me is a celebration for everyone who calls the whenua of Aotearoa home. No matter what ethnicity, race, religion, background, or country you're from, or wherever you are around the world, celebrate being Kiwi. United in purpose, united in culture, and united in shared values. Te Tiriti o Waitangi is our foundation document. We must never lose sight of that and what it means to the people of all cultures. Education, understanding, and mutual respect is the key here. To me, it's a celebration of our beautiful whenua. Celebrate our rich heritage, past, present, and future. Celebrate the peoples of Aotearoa, New Zealand. I'm also grateful on this day, like I am on Anzac Day. I'm grateful for our freedoms we have today compared to other countries around the world, particularly those in conflict. I'm proud to be Māori, I'm proud to be Kiwi, and I'm privileged to wear this Kiwi both here and in here, every day. Mauri ora, Aotearoa, New Zealand. Kia ora.
Morena e te iwi, ata mārie atu I te uru o Tāmaki Makaurau. Kei konei au, kei tētai o ngā kaupapa maha, huri noa I te motu e whakanui ana I tēnei o ngā rā o Waitangi. Yes, e te whānau, as you can see, I'm down here at Pass Park in West Auckland, here at Waitangi at Waititi 2025. Now they're just doing their final touch-ups before everything kicks off this morning, but we've got so many awesome things lined up for today's event, as well as many awesome kaupapa all around the motu, so be sure to check out on the internet and on your social media platforms for Waitangi celebrations near you. Waitangi at Waititi is brought to you proudly by Waipareira, and it's been going on for over 10 years. I remember the first one that started back in 2013, and it started next door, just outside the Waharua at Huani Waititi Marae. It's been growing more and more every year, and there's an estimated of 45,000 or more people arriving at this year's event. Now, past acts that have performed at this event include the Royal Family, Shefu, House of Shem, Hawaiian band The Green, and we've even had the Wailers. This year's live acts include Rob Ruha, Annie Krama, we've got Shefu and the Crates, we've got Corella, and we've even got Stan Walker. Now, if you do head down here at Te Whānau, it's a free event for all ages. Bags are getting checked. We've got 6 entry points. Car parks are limited, so make sure you get down here early. Make sure to bring some cash as well, because there's no FPOS, and we've got many stores that include kai, art, Pakehi Māori, as well as many different fundraising kaupapa, like Te Kohanga Reo o Kākāriki, based in Glen Eden, that are fundraising for their mokopuna. They've got some moko stencils with glitter and lipstick. They've got some ice blocks and some lunch packs, so they're perfect for your mokopuna. And when you do come down to Te Whānau, make sure you bring your pōtai, your pani ārai rā, your mats and all your chairs, so you and your whānau can have a good day in the sun. Now, if you can't get down to this event at Te Whānau, there is one Waitangi at Manukau that has acts like Mohi Allen, Magic, Valkyrie, Jordan with a Y, just to name a few. There's a couple of events that I know of in Rotorua at Te Puia and Waiariki Hot Springs, as well as an event in Wellington with Swiss, Kings and Pere Wihongi. Now, if you can't get to any of these events, whānau, make sure you check out all the coverage that is on your TV and on social media. And if you can't do that, chuck some Bob Marley on, because it is Bob Marley's birthday. Happy Waitangi e te whānau.
Tēnā koutou e te iwi Māori, te iwi Pākehā, koutou katoa, e noho ana ki tēnei whenua, ko Aotearoa. Just want to wish everyone a wonderful Waitangi Day. My name is Julian Arahanga, and wherever you are with your friends, family, whether you be at Waitangi itself, whether you be at the beach, whether you be down into Waiponamu, wherever you are, I hope that you have a great day and reflect on this very important day, this founding day of our nation, New Zealand, Aotearoa. So enjoy, have fun, be merry, toi tu te tiriti, toi tu te tangata.
Kia ora tātou katoa, ko Bella Kalolo Storage toki ingoa, and I am from Shilton Street. Look, my hope for Aotearoa is to see a united and thriving people safeguarding the enduring legacy of one of our most treasured national documents, Te Tiriti. Toi tu, Te Tiriti.
Kia ora whānau, happy Waitangi Day. What a beautiful day to celebrate being a New Zealander. I just love this country, I love the people so much. So I hope you're like me and you're celebrating with your whānau and friends, with plenty of good kai, and I would imagine a whole lot of New Zealand music. I've got 660 blasting around the house. A little bit of Dave Dobbin, obviously, and then we will finish it off with the quintessential lamb roast. How good. Enjoy your Waitangi Day, and I love being a Kiwi. Keep it right on.